Now listen to me. Your income and wealth are merely a reflection of your personal life. That's why if you want to be a millionaire, you need to have the skills of a millionaire. And that's precisely why, in today's video, I'm going to take a time machine and go back and share with you the 7 millionaire skills that I wish I knew when I was 18 years old. Welcome to the circle. Now I applied some of these myself, propelling me to earn my first million at just 18. But I also missed a few crucial ones. So, consider this your head start. By combining my proven strategies with these additional skills, you could surpass even my success. Trust me, this is a video you won't want to miss if you're serious about achieving greatness. First on the millionaire menu, ditch the news obsession. Shocking, right? Here's why. Number 1, too much on your plate already. Becoming a millionaire is a big task. The constant barrage of news adds unnecessary noise to your already busy mind. Number 2, news won't change your game. Honestly, you can't control what's on the news. The real influencers, the world changers, wield powerful tools like wealth and platforms. Number 3, start small, impact big. Before tackling global issues, focus on your own growth. Trust me, someone who built schools for 2,000 kids in Nepal knows this. The news could have derailed my focus at 18, preventing me from reaching a point where I could truly give back. Forget the news. It won't help you reach your goals, make a difference, or even understand the world better. It's like a never-ending argument about who gets to be the biggest boss, full of noise and drama but little substance. Focusing on that noise just creates stress and overwhelms me. You can't control the world, and trusting the news blindly is like believing everything a stranger tells you on the street. Remember, knowledge is key, but the news isn't the only source. Back in the day, maybe there was some truth to the idea of successful people being glued to the headlines. But nowadays, that information is owned and twisted by a few powerful groups. It's more like a big, confusing puzzle with missing pieces. So, the first millionaire skill isn't keeping up with the news. It's actually the opposite. It's learning to ignore the noise and find knowledge from reliable sources, from independent thinking, and from your own experiences. This might sound funny because the old advice said the opposite, but remember, times change. In today's world, ditching the news is the path to a clearer mind and a richer life, both financially and personally. The essential skill to acquire is a high-income skill, forming the foundation for achieving life goals. Instead of just mastering one, strive to learn various high-income skills and combine them like stacking Lego blocks. The more of these skills you accumulate, the greater your potential earnings. When deciding where to invest your time and effort, assess if the skill is high income and offers long-term returns. Examples include online marketing, coding, content creation, and sales. Successful individuals possess valuable high-income skills, while the most prosperous have multiple such skills. Finding the right starting point may seem challenging, but earlier this year, extensive research led to identifying the best high-income skill for earning $100,000 annually online. The money-making matrix, created through evaluating online business models with a specific formula, determines the best business model for 2022. Let's continue the discussion. Skill number 3, crucial for both multimillionaires and billionaires, is the ability to say no. Early mastery of this skill accelerates the path to millionaire status. Despite being adept at it in my earlier years, distractions and opportunities accumulated as I achieved my initial millions. Maintaining discipline and saying no to the majority of things is vital. It ensures you have the bandwidth and space to fully invest in the right opportunities when they arise. Saying no becomes a valuable life skill, especially in the beginning. Saying no to social outings, favors, and certain opportunities allows you to focus on what truly matters for your goals, showing respect for yourself and your aspirations. Moving on to millionaire skill number 4, traveling efficiently. While exposing yourself to new environments can be productive, it's essential to master the skill of traveling less. Spending a significant part of the year in a quieter place, like Cape Town, has been beneficial for me. The key is to limit these trips to 2 to 3 months. Why include this as a millionaire skill? I've observed a common pitfall as people achieve their first substantial earnings. They start to indulge in frequent travel, adapting to new environments every few weeks. This nomadic lifestyle introduces instability, from finding gyms to locating preferred restaurants and supermarkets. I've found that the digital nomadic lifestyle often becomes a limiting factor for many individuals. For those aiming to earn 100K or even 200K a year, adopting a digital nomad lifestyle can be beneficial, especially with an established business and systems in place, like my advertising agency with 6 years of experience. However, for beginners, stability in their environment is crucial. While traveling is essential, being conscious of the choice of destinations is advised. Opt for places where expenses are similar or potentially lower than your current location. Cape Town, Medellin, and Kiev are examples. While Bali might be challenging due to time zones and a less conducive work environment, it's crucial to choose locations that support productivity and business scaling, especially after achieving initial financial success. Now, let's move on to millionaire skill number 5. Start investing today. While learning a high-income skill and building a business are crucial for becoming a millionaire, sustaining and growing that wealth requires strategic investments. Many aspire to earn $1 million, but taxes are a significant consideration. Even after tax deductions, having $1 million doesn't guarantee financial security. Hence, the key is not just making money, but wisely investing to secure a millionaire lifestyle over the years. Living a millionaire lifestyle with expenses ranging from $300,000 to $2 million a year may seem enticing, but sustaining it solely through active income has limitations. If you spend, for instance, $400,000 a year, you can only maintain that for about 2.5 years. The key is to shift towards living off passive income generated by investments. Assuming a 7 to 10% return, $1 million portfolio would yield $70,000 to $100,000 annually, enabling a comfortable lifestyle. While building and growing your business is crucial for income growth, investing serves as a defense strategy. It not only provides a place for your money, but also restricts excessive spending. Investing offers excitement, especially as you witness your portfolio rise and earn passive income. Regardless of your monthly income, starting to invest is crucial. Whether in crypto, stocks, stablecoins, or alternative investments like NFTs or collectibles, the habit of investing is vital. Even if you make a modest $1,000 a month, dedicating 20% to investment establishes a valuable habit. As your income grows, maintaining this habit becomes even more significant. Many high earners spend as much as they make, emphasizing the importance of early and consistent investment. So, start investing as soon as possible to secure financial stability and future growth. The next millionaire skill that can save you money and enhance your quality of life is having an excellent tailor. While it might seem unusual, many people waste significant amounts on expensive clothes and designer brands. Instead of splurging, consider purchasing items from high-quality brands like Uniqlo or Muji and then taking them to a tailor. Depending on the item, tailoring costs range from $20 to $40 per piece. You don't need to visit the priciest tailors to achieve $1 million look. Even someone like me who invests in a wardrobe where items often range from $5,000 to $20,000 emphasizes the importance of tailoring. Despite spending on fashion, I stress that it's unnecessary to waste money on designer labels. In the past, I shopped at outlets, secondhand stores, and even affordable brands, transforming them through tailoring to look superior to those who spent 10 times as much. This skill is essential, especially for individuals on the path to their first $1 million, as it ensures smart spending without sacrificing style. So, invest in a good tailor to look your best without breaking the bank on expensive brands. The final millionaire skill is mastering the use of credit cards and maximizing rewards. I personally started utilizing credit cards and loyalty programs at the age of 20, realizing the missed opportunities for rewards on the millions of dollars I had spent both personally and for my business. It's crucial to trust yourself with a credit card, ensuring timely payments. If you can manage both aspects responsibly, a credit card becomes an incredibly valuable tool. For instance, my spending on Amex, coupled with living in Dubai and frequently flying Emirates, results in substantial rewards. I receive 55 upgrades annually, either from economy to business or business to first class. This equates to 14 free round trips in business class each year. Emirates Business Class offers a premium experience with individual beds and private suites, making it a significant perk. Leveraging credit card rewards has not only enhanced my travel experiences, but has also saved substantial costs, showcasing the power of mastering this skill for financial benefits. In addition to flight upgrades, my American Express card also grants me hotel upgrades and various other valuable benefits and rewards. While I understand that not everyone spends at the same level, many credit card programs offer enticing rewards, especially with sign-up bonuses. Even for those with lower spending, achieving a few upgrades a year can be highly rewarding and worthwhile. So, with these 7 millionaire skills, you not only have the potential to make your first million, but also to preserve and multiply it. I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Is there a millionaire skill you think I missed? I'll be reading and responding to your comments. I hope you found these insights valuable, and stay tuned for the next one.